দাদা ছবি হইতেছে না সবাই একটু সাইড চালো দিক দিগান্তে ছড়িয়ে দিন বিজেপির চিন্তাধারা দিক দিগান্তে ছড়িয়ে দিন মোদীজির চিন্তাধারা দিক দিগান্তে भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की बीजेपी बीजेपी दिग दिगाते छोड़िए दें बीजेपी 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 नरेंद्र मोदी जेपी नड्डा विप्लव देव डॉक्टर मानिक शाह
I want to talk firstly. I have to our mother tongue. I have to speak first for bro. Hambai, jotono sini media friend dongno. Sini media friend dongno hambai baru belajar. Tadi belajar ini jotono. Tai especially hambai kalau sini sar jotono, sini sar orang sini jotono ya sak samai. Jotono ya sakai welcome kini dongno belajar hambai baru. Tapi ke जों गासै गोबां मा वान सबै दंनायबो नै बिजेपि पार्टियाव फाइलेन बागै दिनै जों सेबमांखा दिनै जों फाइलेन जरामांखा एक्सक्रेच अफ गड आबन बागै बेलाय हामबाय जोंनो वेलकाम खायनान बागै सो यु आस्क इन्विटेशन
क्वेश्चन আছে নি
कारण के BJP party ni belai samong kahang semukha seng 17 time seng agi United Domani Khumulwng Devision afro seng afro alliance party man ya kono puno bising kise different ujong bagai seng afro kahang ke samong play man ya kahang ke samong play man bagai seng tabo exact ya kamu paya boy agi ke busu ko Domani आइए जों बुजोगो दंमोन दाबो जोंनिया खमो फाइनांखा सामं फाइनाली काहाम के फॉर डेवलपमेंट आवर भाषा आबाद बागै जों सुजुंमानखा खायनि दा बेसा को होनखाबो से जों बीजेपी नो थाखाय हामजाका why we love BJP actually their work is good and their working they are developing we like. So that's why we join here today. Firstly, there are so many their works. They are what to say in the village. They are making for roads and all, and those are not getting for water and all. They are giving to supply to waters and all. So it's what to say. It's needed for our in pleasure. So right now in BJP party. Our son in Dev, Sri Dev Kumarji, they do for the needs, the life, our Tiprasa, and whatever we need, they know very well, our BJP party. So that's why we join here today. So I want to thank for again our son, Susanta Chaudhary. He's so humble and he's active person. So that's why I want to thank for again once again. Thank you sir. Aban bagai belai kin jin sar ra hamai maro belai kinau samung kaham khai tam bagai sini di prasaran bagai sini develop di bagai sini paharon jolo kabang ma teiman yawo man re kano lama ham yawo kabang ma khai tamo sini jaga school kori rogo school rokha ai kabang ma potre for different way tongo abo sa thake lekha baya Bang matongo, seng santake tam sanai. Kebang ma kelai tani pano, success sengmani mang nogo, failure kasih pun kerai. Aban bagai seng hambai marwa, seng hamzago sini tabok BJP party no. I love business, not myself. We love BJP party, and we have to do forever and ever whatever we have in life in the world. We have to do for words. So. That's why we again here to thank all our leaders to join giving to us to like that. Thank you abang bagai cunahan hiasan bagai hambayo aro sin sar sama asma hambai.